Imagine that you've just burnt off 150 calories from your morning run, only to gain it all back in a few seconds, because you didn't know that your freshly squeezed orange juice also had that many calories, or how much protein and fiber you will intake from your breakfast today.
I wanted to come out with a solution which is the easiest way of tracking your daily nutrition. Because nutrition is one thing which is missing completely. People are not aware of what we are eating, how much nutrition, what is the calories intake that I am taking in on a daily basis.
Such lack of information can have disastrous results, leaving you frustrated and completely throwing you off your diet goals. While there are apps that help you track your calorie intake, who has all the time to manually input so many details? Just so cumbersome. There has to be a better solution than this.
And when it comes to lifestyle, I think 70 to 80% is what we eat, how we eat, and rest 20-30% is all about the activities and physical fitness and all.
Presenting Calvary, an AI-based food recognition app that intelligently detects your food items and allows you to know all the nutritional values of your foods from just a photo on your phone. And it tells you a lot more about your food. It's so simple that literally anybody can use it. Just click and upload a photo of the food you're about to eat, and voila, all the details are here. Calvary is powered by our Food AI API, based on the latest innovations in deep learning and image recognition technology to quickly and accurately identify food items from thousands of cuisines across the globe. The AI engine's accuracy keeps improving continuously as new food images are added to the database.
The advanced technologies of AI and image recognition. We are working closely with Government of Uttarakhand, where we have done a 1-month pilot for the midday meal program. Through Calvary, the government gets the real-time nutrition tracking information. There's another feature in Calvary which basically gives an efficiency output of the entire midday meal scheme through anthropometric calculation tracking. Every 4 months, when you do height and weight of these kids, you get powerful insights that how the height and weight indicators are moving because of this nutrition which are being provided to the Government of India.
Users can also see their current and past food intake values and even compare the progress charts to maintain a better lifestyle. Calvary Wellness has also launched a web-based B2B platform, Calvary Pro, for health professionals to track real-time nutrition and macros of their clients. It seamlessly syncs with Calvary app and provides insight into nutrition consumption and lifestyle habits of their clients.
I have been associated and have been using Calvary, an online platform which is so convenient for my clients to use. They just have to click a picture and it gets down the micros and the macros of the food and helps them understand their food better. As a health professional, Calvary Pro also gives people like us the opportunity to see what our patients are doing and manage their nutrition and health conditions.
We intend to create a fully integrated wellness ecosystem where users can find everything related to healthy eating, right from dietitians and coaches to healthy food delivery.
So Calvary works as your own personal nutrition monitor, which takes care of your daily nutritional value, daily calories, daily macros and micros in the easiest way. So happy Calvary.